I've got a messy porch, so let's clean. Hi, I'm Julie, keeper of my home, and I have a porch. I'm going to show you what it looks like. We had company over the weekend. The kids were here, and yeah, they left proof behind that they were here. Let me show you. This is the current condition of our porch. The kids had fun. Generally, their moms have them clean up behind themselves, but I saw a video in the making, so I said, nope, leave it, I'll take care of it. So here we are. They had fun. They had lots and lots of fun. It's a good thing it's a big porch. It can handle a lot of stuff. Look at this. You can see it's usually girls that play here. Our grandsons, one is still downstate, he hasn't come up yet, and the other is only a year old, so he hasn't been a part of this mess yet, but he will be, I'm sure. Well, I did say they left proof that they were here, so let's get started, shall we? As you can see, the girls love to spread their joy all over the room. We love having this porch and just being able to have that extra space that's outdoor and indoor at the same time. And the kids absolutely love this space. They can really make it their own, and it's a great space for little girls to play house in because you've got the bedroom and you've got the living area and the little table area, and it's perfect for the kids.
Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart.
If you haven't seen my video where I clean and decorate this porch for summer, I'll link it above so you can watch that one when you're finished with this one. This is definitely one of our favorite spots. We love it here in the summer, and it really feels like we have such a short season to enjoy it. Once it gets colder, I clean it up and put things away for winter, and I miss it all winter long, and I just look so forward to summer when we can pull everything out again and enjoy this space.
And I will hold
The toys that I'm picking up here are a set of G.I. Joe toys and all the accessories. They were our boys when they were younger, much, much younger. They're 29, 31, and 33 now. So these toys are pretty old, but they're still in great condition, and the kids love playing with them.
you call, I fall. There's a legacy between us. We grow, we go, but in the middle, time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
We keep a tote full of summer games on our porch. These are all things that can be played inside on the porch as well as outside in the yard. And they're all things that require more than one person to play with them. That way, there's never anyone left out. Everyone gets involved.
Secondhand, I felt a bit forgotten. Not your plan, but now the days of silence outgrow the fun things we have done. But tell me, do you want to carry on?
Dolls, dolls, and more dolls. My husband and I were never blessed with daughters of our own, but we sure do have fun with the granddaughters that our sons have blessed us with.
Go till we're older, put your head on my shoulder, and let's enjoy the ride. When we started, our wishes aligned. We were like yin and yang combined. Now the tables have turned. Can we live and unlearn? You tell me. Plans don't.
This little firkin bucket is filled with Polly Pockets. My sister got them at a yard sale and knew that our granddaughters would love to play with them. And they do. They love these dolls. It's one of the first things they go for when they're playing here at our house. They grab the bucket, lay it out on the rug, and they will play for hours. It's great entertainment.
Let's just live a life. Anything, anywhere, I don't really care, as long as I'm with you. Say something, don't be speechless. I'm sleepless, so alone in this stillness. Oh, I long for you, sweetness. Let's enjoy the ride. Let's just live a life. Let's just live a life. Oh, plants don't grow without water.
The toys are all picked up. Everything is put back in place, I believe. So I'm going to vacuum and scrub this floor.
And they came when it's cold. Oh, and we could go till we're older.
We've noticed that every morning we get up, we've had a layer of pollen on our porch. It's been terrible this year. I have never seen pollen like this before. It lays right on our floor, just like somebody spread cornmeal all over. I just can't believe it. Is this the same way in your area that you live in? I'm not sure if it's just a high pollen year or what it is, but it's crazy. I've been out here every single day this summer cleaning this porch. I've had to wipe down the windowsills, clean off the furniture, vacuum the floors, scrub the floors, just to keep the pollen down. Our oldest son has allergies, and his daughter does as well. So anything I can do to make that a little bit easier for them, I'm going to do it. But I cannot imagine how bad people suffer this year with the way the pollen is. It's just terrible. I've never seen it like this.
Master plan, will I be washed away like lines in the sand? Some people that put their faith into someone who's half their age, reading from a torn out page from a book filled with lies. But I don't know what to do. I'm staring into the blue sky and just waiting for a sign. Someday is certain of what awaits them when it all ends, but
We still have some work being done on the inside of our house. Our carpenter, as I've said in previous videos, is only working a couple of days a week because he does have a full-time job outside of what he's doing for at our home. So it's going slow, but it's going. And I'm filming every step of the way, so it's been pretty busy here. I need to start editing what I have filmed so far. Oh gosh, this is probably going to be another one of those really long videos, but I can't wait for you to see it. You are going to love it. So far, we are so thrilled with what it looks like. I can't wait, so make sure you have your notification bells clicked. You are definitely not going to want to miss out on this one.
I don't know what will happen to me. Will I be remembered in this century? Or will I be forgotten like dust in the wind? Or the talk of the town that we are living in? I don't know what will happen to me. Will I be remembered in this century? Or will I be forgotten?
I have so many projects that I need to get done around the house, and a lot of outdoor projects that I need to work on. It seems like there's never enough time. Summer is way too short. The days are way too short. I just have so many things in my head. They're just bursting to get out. I have so much energy and I have so much desire to get out there and do this all. I think I need to be cloned. I think it would be a whole lot easier if there was more than one of me to get all of these things done. Do you ever feel that way? Like, I have so many things in my head, and I write them all down on paper, everything that I want to accomplish, and it's like a race to the finish line every summer. I think of all of these great things that I'm going to get done, and my list is so long. Oh my gosh, I hope I get all of these done, and if I do, you will get to see them. So make sure that you are subscribed because I'm going to film it all. And don't forget, Country Sampler Magazine is coming back in the fall to take some photos of our house so that they can put us in their magazine next year. You're not going to want to miss that either.
I was with my world falling apart, hoping just to get by. Without knowing it, I played it by heart, and now.
Thank you for watching. I hope today's video gave you plenty of cleaning motivation. As keeper of my home, I love doing what I do, but most of all, I love sharing it with you. I love showing and sharing these things and helping you be the best keeper of your home that you can be. If you're new and you love all things home, please consider subscribing below and joining my family of keepers. And until next time,
Love is in the air, like the wind blowing through your hair.